So guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, I'm still on showing you how you can make $10 to $50 daily with your capital in Binance or any other reputable exchange. So if it's your first time watching, just know that you are watching from Trade with the Great YouTube channel, and in my channel I document videos on forex, crypto, and how to make money online. So if this is your thing, do well to subscribe, hit the notification bell so as to be the first to get notified whenever I drop new updates. All right, so now you can see that this particular coin, I told you guys in my previous video how to purchase coins and make profit from it, and this is a practical example I showed right here. So you can see that from this particular point I bought this coin. You can see where this coin has gotten, right, with the analysis I've made, and this coin is very close to my sell limit. And once this hits my sell limit, do you know how much I'm going to be getting? I'm going to be getting about 50 cents. Reason is this: I invested only $3 in this particular token called the mother. So if, because this particular limit is very close to the resistance, so I just want it to move straight and hit it, so I will just sell off immediately. So I'll patiently wait. Well, we don't even know what will happen from here, but I believe that it should surely hit our sell limit. Okay, so and that's how you will make profit. Imagine now that I've made this particular money. Look at, so from $3 to $3.5. Imagine you have $300. Do you know that what you're going to be getting is $57 from this? Because this is 57 cents. Well, yeah, so this is very simple on how to make money online, in cryptocurrency. This is one of the safest way to make money in the crypto market. So, and I'll advise you to don't sleep on this strategy I'm showing you guys. So now let's go to another token. I've seen this particular token made about 200% Voxel, and Voxel is no longer a new coin. Can you imagine that if you had invested $100 from this particular token, you'll be making an extra $200 just in a day, guys, just in a day. Or I don't know how many times it took it to go to that $200. But let's get to this token to see something. You can see it for yourself. Okay, you can see how this token ought to rise. If I remember well, we analyzed this token as of yesterday, and we saw what was happening on this token called the Voxel. Okay, and right now this coin is about 200%. Can you see that? Imagine you invested your $10, then you should be hoping on to get nothing less than $20 plus in profit, and that's super crazy. So this is one of the way you can make money in the crypto market, one of the safest way. One thing is that the profit might not be quick, and sometimes it could happen quick depending on how fast that particular coin rises in a day. Some coins can make up to 100 to 200% a day, just like this particular one called the Voxel that made 200%. Some goes to 100%. So right now you can see this particular one called the NKN. It made 122%. So now if we go into the chart right now, you can see how everything in it works. Okay, just like I told you guys in my video that you don't have to buy coins blindly. Like right now you can see the technical analysis, everything rhymes perfectly well. I think we checked this particular token, but I couldn't remember though. But look at how fast this coin is rising, and now we're about 133%. That is to say that if you have about $10, you should be making extra $13, from extra $13 to $14. If you have about $100 in this particular token, you should be making nothing less than $140 extra in profit, adding up your main investment, that should turn out to be $240. Okay, because right now is at 140%. Okay, so now, even though it took this particular coin to get to this stage right now it is, but I already know that this particular coin is going to go up. So that was the reason why I purchased it, because looking at it at my analysis, I know that yes, this particular coin is going to do well. And one thing I'll advise you guys is, if you are doing your analysis, make sure you are doing it on trading view so as to get a clear picture of the chart. Okay, because right now analyzing on this particular exchange will make it even more difficult for you. Right now you can see from the time I bought this coin to this particular point it is right now, and we have made a very good cash from it. Looking at it right now, you can see for yourself. So another thing is that all coins are not the same. There are coins that rise, let's say a little push, because they don't move, I mean, in the same liquidity, right? It's just like you are trading gold now. The way Euro USD move is not the same way gold moves, right? Because gold has much number of pips compared to the this thing, the Euro USD, because one candle in gold can even give you $10. But looking at the Euro USD, you find out that one candle can just give you nothing less than $3 or so. So, and that's how it is for every other coin. So the reason why it touched our sell limit and bounced back is this, because this particular place, that particular place is a resistance zone. That's why it touched it and retraced back. But we believe that from here it will just cross it. We are going to see it cross it, then this market is going to be closing. Okay, this market is going to be closing right now. All right, that's how it goes. And don't worry, I'm still going to be showing you guys more opportunities in the crypto market. Mind you that this is not just the only particular exchange I use. I also use Binance, I use Bitget. Depending on the one you are using, I use MEXC. So the links are in my description down below. So if you don't have anyone yet, I already have a link of those reputable exchanges down below. Okay, so just go there, get it, register, and start trading with it quick. Okay, all right guys, see you in my next video. Bye.